Hey guys, welcome to ED Technology. In today's session, we are going to discuss a program which is asked in GTU examination. So some of the students wanted me to discuss this particular program. So the question is write a program to read 10 numbers from user and store them in an array and display sum and average of the numbers. So basically this was asked in the GTU examination for the subject PPS, and winter 2019 exam had this for 7 marks. Similar questions are asked in university exams for 5 to 7 marks where you are supposed to write the program. So let us understand what you are supposed to write and how do you compile your program. So I'll show you this program. So basically there are certain part of the program which you get from the question itself. So even if you don't know the logic, I suggest you should begin with that particular part. You should have the header files which is include stdio.h. If you are going to use getch function or any functions which requires conio.h, you should add that also. But I'm not using that in the program, so I've not done that. Then we need to have the void main with the parenthesis. Then we start the boundary of the program. And now going back to the earlier part of the program, here we have an array which is required. We need a sum and we need the average, right? So coming back to this program, we have a array which is of the size 10, sum which is initialized to 0. So if you remember, when we are declaring a variable where we are going to store any value, it is always better to initialize it with 0 value so it does not store the garbage value there. And because average can be in float, I'm declaring that in a separate way, so float average. And as I said, I need 10 numbers in an array, that's a condition, and I is my looping variables. Then I'll write an output statement which will ask the user, this is part of the good programming practice. So I'll write a printf input 10 numbers, and then I'll have a for loop within which I'll call this numbers, and also along with the scanning of the value I'll total it up and store it into sum. So as you can see it in here, I've used I is equal to 1. You can initially start with 0 up to 9, or you can start with 1 and equal to 10. So there are two ways of using this loop. Make sure that you are having total 10 values in here. This is I++ for increment for each iteration, and inside the loop I am using scanf %d because my value which is in here is, let me show you this. So this value is an integer value, right? So my a is integer value array, so I'll store the values in here. So this is individually each value within the loop. I will get increment, so ultimately each value will be stored in an array. Now here what I'm doing is I've summed all the values inside the loop itself so that I don't have to do it in a separate loop, and I've done this using a shorthand operator. So if you want to see the what is shorthand operator, refer to my earlier video on operators. You will understand. Those who know what is shorthand operator, they know this is more efficient way of coding, right? So this will store the sum value, and outside the loop which is getting over here, I have written average. So sum would have the total of first 10 values divided by 10.0 because I want average in the floating point, or else you can write 10 also. And then I'm printing in here the sum using the %d and average using %f, right? Yeah. And then the variables which I want to print. So this is how you will be using an array to store 10 numbers, then use that to store the sum of those 10 numbers, and then use the average in order to complete the average functionality. So this is it for this program. If you like our efforts of this channel in order to teach you well, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.